Okay, class, when you get your folder made, we want to be able to identify it as yours. So one thing I would like for you to do is to sketch out your name in block or bubble letters, and then decorate it in, and that's what we can do for the rest of the day. To show you an example of what we are going to do, I sketched out my last name with a pencil. And then what I'm going to do is go around all of the pencil. I'm going to go over it with a marker. You could choose to use a pencil first and then trace over it with a marker if you would like. You don't have to use a black marker. You could use a color marker or you could use colored pencil. Notice that my bubble is not touching any of the pencil marks that I have created in my stick letters of my name. All I would need to do now is take an eraser and erase the pencil marks on the inside. You may choose crayons or colored pencils and design this however you would like.